Hey, have you ever felt like the stock market's just one big casino? Like, no matter what you do, the house always wins. Well, you're not crazy, because in a lot of ways, it actually is a casino, just one with fancier suits, glowing charts, and a lot more zeros on the screen. But here's the thing, the game is rigged, just not in the way you think. And the good news? You can still win. You just have to stop playing their game and start playing a different one. Let's talk about it. So picture this. You walk into a casino, lights flashing, people shouting, everyone chasing that next big win. Now replace the slot machines with trading screens, the chips with dollars, and instead of roulette, it's Tesla, Apple, and Bitcoin. That's Wall Street. It's loud, it's fast, it's shiny, and it's built to keep you playing. Every time you hit buy or sell, the house, in this case brokers, market makers, and funds, takes a small cut. Fees, commissions, bid-ask spreads. Tiny bites, but they add up. Even if you win a few rounds, you still pay to play. It's like every time you pull a lever on a slot machine, a few of your chips just disappear, win or lose. Multiply that by thousands of trades, millions of traders, and decades of time, and you start to see who really wins here. Spoiler, it's not the guy checking charts at 2 a.m. with coffee and regret in his hand. Here's what most people don't realize. The average active trader, the one trying to time the market, catch dips, sell highs, underperforms the market by about 4 to 6% every year. Not because they're dumb, but because the system takes little bites every single time they move. It's like trying to fill a bucket that's got holes in the bottom. You pour in effort, time, research, and the leaks, meaning the fees, spreads, emotions, and bad timing, just keep draining it. Meanwhile, Wall Street's fine. They make money whether you win or lose. They're the house. And if you ever wondered why financial news channels are constantly shouting, breaking news, market volatility, it's because the house wants you to play. If you're trading, they're earning. But here's the twist. You don't have to play that game at all. You can step out of the casino entirely. Imagine instead of sitting at the poker table, sweating over every hand, you owned a piece of the casino itself. That's what index fund investing is. You're not betting on one company, one trade, or one lucky break. You're owning the whole market. A slice of every company, every sector, every winner that'll ever rise. When the casino, meaning the economy, grows, you grow. And the best part? You don't have to do anything. No timing, no charts, no stress. Just patience. Warren Buffett literally said if he could give one piece of advice to his family after he's going, it'd be this. Put 90% of the money in a low-cost S&P 500 index fund. That's it. The man could hire anyone in the world to manage his money, and he still says, just buy the index, because it works. Now, I know what you're thinking, but that's boring. I want the thrill, the action, the quick wins. Yeah, I get it. Trading feels exciting. It makes you feel like you're in control, like you're the smart one who's going to beat the odds. But here's the truth. The real winners in the market aren't the ones playing hardest, they're the ones who set the rules. Owning the index is like saying, fine, you guys can keep playing your flashy game, I'll just collect rent from the building. You're not in the casino anymore, you own the casino. Every time a company profits, every time a worker shows up, every time the market grows, your slice gets a little bigger. That's the real insider move. So yeah, the game is rigged, but it's not rigged against you. It's rigged for the people who understand how it works. And now, that's you. You've got two options. Keep playing the fast, flashy game where the house always wins, or step outside, own the casino, and let time do the heavy lifting. It's not sexy, it's not thrilling, but it's freeing. Because while everyone else is chasing wins, you'll be building wealth. And that's the ultimate plot twist. If this helped you see the market a little differently, hit that like button, share it with your friend who's totally killing it on short-term trades, and subscribe for more real talk about money, investing, and the games we play. See you next time.